So over the years, of course, there have been a series of humoristic approaches to how you compare things. Things that you can attach to and remember. Maybe my continuous speech about shrimp every Christmas, for every Christmas party, is maybe part of that, because, as you know, shrimp change sex. It's important to see that in one kind of creature, you can have both sexes within a lifespan. Not to talk about all the things that really are sexual in that sense, but it's more to understand that our position as creatures will change, and it will change with us, and there are some extreme situations in nature which define this very clearly. And if you bring that back to, for instance, transpositioning, or you bring it back to how we treat others, or you bring it back to how we collaborate, all of a sudden these things come together. And I've been, for the 30 years of existence of the company, using the shrimp as a way, as a metaphor for how these things could look if you looked at the shrimp only. And I think last year's was the final, the 2018 Christmas shrimp performance in a way ended that story, and now we're looking into the next 30 years with maybe different attitudes, different ways of thinking. But it was important to conclude this story, and actually also to show that the lack of research when it comes to this kind of gender change of the shrimp is lacking. Very, very few scientists work with it and understand exactly why that is happening. And in a similar way, I think not everything we do can be described in words and can be researched. Sometimes you just have to rely on the build-up of intuition.